What up, y'all? Jason Hodl here. Today, talking about Binance. What's Binance? It's an exchange where individuals like you and me can buy and sell cryptocurrencies. And it's easy. I'm gonna walk you through registration and how to set up buying and selling. And all you gotta do, jump on the old laptop. Signing up is easy. It's as easy as starting your own ICO. Anybody can do it. And if you want a secure connection, use this link right here. It'll be the safest way to get you there. All right, so you just fill in your personal information here and we're good to go. And now that we got all that boring stuff out of the way, let's get serious. And depositing is as easy as it's ever been, like ever. Let's say you just want to deposit some, I don't know, ETH or Litecoin or something like that. Just grab your Binance wallet address here. You copy that bad boy into your clipboard there. And that's where you're gonna want to send your funds. Boom, done. Pro tip, each currency has its own wallet. So make sure that you send your currency to its matching wallet. Let's talk business. The fastest way to get that Lambo? Trading on Binance. Select the coin you want to buy and its trading pair. All you have to do to place a limit order is set the price that you want it at and the amount of coins that you want to buy. Your order will trigger when the price is hit. If you don't want to wait for that to happen, you can place a market order that will purchase the amount of coins you want at the current price. All right, now the business is taken care of, let's cash out. It's super easy. It's just the reverse of depositing. Find the coin that you want to withdraw. This time, you paste the address of your personal wallet or wherever else you'd want to send your coins. It's that easy. So now, you just sit back and watch that money come in. And that's Binance. Easy, right? That's how I got rich. Crypto. I'll see you on the moon.